Well, I just learned on Instagram that I don't have enough followers to go live anymore because they changed their requirements. Look at that. That's split. It's because of the rain. So I'm in the garden this morning and we got a little friend. Even though this thing is dying back, I'm still finding cucumbers. I'm gonna leave this here and we're gonna look around the garden. All right. Eggplant still hadn't done anything. It's my first time growing eggplant. I think that's a bitter gourd. So we'll let it do its thing. Look at these fellas that's popped up. So pretty. Look at her. Doing its job. Look at her. Got some more that's gonna be popping soon. I didn't know they were gonna face this direction. I don't really care. And peas and sunflowers just all in there together. It's just that time of the season. Some things are dying back, some things are flourishing. That mint is trapped out in there inside that marigold. All right, got cantaloupe over there. I'll go closer. Okay. Cantaloupe. There's another cantaloupe in there. I have to keep checking them because these things are getting eaten up. Look at that. They're just killing my cantaloupe, dude. I can't even have that one. That one's getting eaten up. I gotta watch this one like a hawk because I thought I had that one, but the bugs got it. It's that time of the year. Let's go check on this corn. Some little stalks in here. All right, I don't know if I need to feed it or what. Don't you eat my corn, doggone it. What else? There's one there. It's not ready yet. I mean, I want to make sure this thing's getting fertilized. And this is what we got. I'm not mad at it. It's doing good this year. Seminole pumpkin. Said we don't care about your trellis, girl. Yep. This is it. Got some okra the other day. I don't know if I have any more. Nope. Peas are coming in. Look at her. Starting to come in. Not a good season for tomatoes this year with all the rain, but we've been getting some. Look at that pretty okra. The flowers in the hibiscus family, which you can tell from there. And the bugs got that cantaloupe. Doggone it. But I'm gonna watch this one like a hawk. We want you. Can I at least harvest a couple? There's another one in there too. But this is the garden.